Family, I am going to be putting an Ayurvedic treatment together for Sonia and myself here tomorrow. I try to do our DIY each time we are washing our hair just so that we can also benefit from all of these natural and organic ingredients. And nowadays I love to use it as a pre-poo treatment because I already have my ready-made natural shampoo and rest of my wash day routine. So for this Ayurvedic treatment, for this wonderful powerful treatment, I'm using all great ingredients also for our hair health. As you can see back there, I have our organic neem powder. It's great for our hair health because a healthy scalp leads to long and healthy hair. So here I got our little bowl, and then I'm just going to show you guys all what we'll be using. We got our 1 cup of organic henna powder back there, and I just put 1 cup of it. Then I'm using 1/3 cup of our organic neem leaf powder. Fenugreek can really expand in water, so you need to be very careful, but this treatment is for 2 person, so that's why I'm using 2 tablespoons. If you're only making it for 1 head, then 1 tablespoon will be enough. Got our melted shea butter, which I just set in hot water. I'm also just going to add it to our mixture. Being that I'm using this treatment on Sonia here, I'm just going in with warm water. Now, if I was using this on only my hair, I was going to go in with some coffee mixture, but I'm just keeping it simple since I'm also applying it on her hair. You can also mix your treatment with some Ayurvedic tea, brew some tea and use it. But if you are rushing, warm water can also work very great with it. So I'm just going to take my time, mix this, and then I will come back and show you guys when I'm done mixing it. I'm also going to go in with my hand blender. The hand blender really helped me to get this really creamy. After using the hand blender on our treatment, we got this so creamy, and I love the texture because I'm leaving this overnight. We're gonna wash our hair tomorrow, so by the morning it will thicken up a bit. But I also love it running like this, so it can be easy for me to rinse out. I'm now going in with my Secret Growth Oil. I'm just going to add this, maybe about 2 tablespoons of it. This oil help with hair growth. Hair will help with thicker hair, stronger hair, healthy hair. And then I'm also going in with our carrot hair growth oil. Let me shake this first so that all the ingredients can mix in properly. I'm also going with about 2 tablespoons. Yep, that's enough. Now I'm just going to mix everything together. Our hair is going to enjoy this treatment. This is the next morning. Our treatment is ready. Even though we mix this henna with other ingredients, but as you guys can see, we also have a lot of dye release in it, which I like because I want all the benefit from our henna. Now this is a really amazing hair food. As you guys can see, our hair is going to love this. I'm just going to separate this into two bowls so I can use a part on Sonia hair and a part on my hair. You can use this treatment as a pre-poo treatment. You can also use it as a deep condition. If you just want to use it straight up as a deep condition with all the various herbs that we put into it, we have moisturizing herbs, strengthening herb that will help thicken your hair, give you longer hair, and it is not going to be drying to your hair because we also added in fenugreek, which is a really great moisturizer. So you can use this, shampoo your hair first, and then go in with it as your deep condition, or use it as a pre-poo. I'm going to use this as a pre-poo treatment, so I'm going to do like double deep conditioning my hair because I haven't done anything with my hair for over a month now. So I just want to put in that extra moisture back into my hair. So I'm going to use this as a pre-poo treatment, and then afterwards I will shampoo it out and go in with my deep condition. Using this as a pre-poo treatment, you can leave it on for 30 minutes, an hour, but I have a lot of things to do around the house today, so I'm going to leave this in for about 2-3 hours, and then I'm also going to put my stem cap over. After applying a deep conditioner on Sonia hair to tangle her hair, I just pop the stem cap in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna leave the deep condition on for about 30 minutes or an hour. After that, we'll rinse it out and style her hair. To moisturize Sonia hair, I use my S Secrets leave-in conditioner, my S Secrets curl enhancing smoothie, my homemade DIY flaxseed gel, and my S Secrets growth oil. Apart from the flaxseed gel, all the rest of the products you can find it on my website.